My grandson David is going to show us how to make snow cone syrup with Kool-Aid.
Hello, I'm back again. It's been a minute. So we're going to make a syrup for snow cones using Kool-Aid. I've never seen anybody do this before. So we already have gotten 3/4 of sugar inside this bowl right here and 3/4 of water in this jug right here. We're going to bring it to a bowl and simmer it for 3 minutes. Okay, so we're going to sprinkle in our Kool-Aid right here and sprinkle it into into the pot for 2 minutes. Anyways, so if any of my friends are watching this somehow, my first video is on a cooking channel. Take that. You definitely care about that, don't you? If my best friend Toprak is watching, let me just say, you're about the best friend I could ever have. You're very nice. So if anybody saw me from last video, my grandma asked me, have you ever watched Dune? Apparently I have, I just had forgotten. So yes, I have. I don't remember though. So I've stirred for 2 minutes and I'm going to pour it into this pitcher so it's easier to pour it into that bottle right there. Put it into the refrigerator for it to cool off, and then we'll come back and do the rest for you guys. But for now, we're going to leave for however long. I don't know.
Okay.
Now we're ready to make our snow cones, but first we got to make our stone cone ice. I suggest, kind of doing it with gloves or something so your hands don't get so cold, but we didn't find any, so you can do it with hands as well, but it's probably better to do it with gloves. Now we got everything out, and now we will be emptying it. I suggest doing this with a very large spoon to get all the little ice bits out. So I would suggest getting a lot more, crushing a lot more ice than this, because this can only really fill up one of these cups, but if you just want one snow cone, then one of these will fill it up pretty good. You also want one of these spoons to kind of make the right shape. Now that we have our snow cone here, we want to turn behind us and grab our syrup that we got last time. Now, you could pick one of these flavors. You could pick any single Kool-Aid flavor. We got these two because we had them. Anyways, I would suggest doing half and half if you have a bunch of flavors. So that's what I'm going to be doing. I'm pretty sure I know how to do it, but I'm not for sure. I've never actually made a snow cone before. Anyways.
Okay, you can get your spoon over there.
And now you can enjoy it. Hello, this is my best friend Toprak, and I want to shout him out because he's a really good friend, and I want him to shout me out, and I expect it. Anyways, the reason that we look like this is because we just now got done playing dodgeball.
Thank you, David, for your awesome help with making snow cone syrup with Kool-Aid. This is Carolyn Gibson at Homemade Cooking in Texas. Like, subscribe, and share so you don't miss these awesome recipes.